guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Hazelmira. In case you're new here, feel most welcome and kindly consider subscribing. So guys, on today's video I want to take you through my evening routine as a homemaker. And my evening on this day begins at 4 p.m. I went to the salon to straighten my hair because I was to drop my nieces and nephew to town. Yeah, so come with me guys.
Watches the breeze, burns gold and smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? Out of mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going all to
So I'm back home and I'm preparing dinner. I dropped the babies to town. They were here at my place over the midterm. Yeah, and we really enjoyed. We spent time together and we had so much fun with the kids. So yeah, let's prepare some dinner. And for dinner tonight we're going to have ugali, some greens, eggs, and of course a glass of milk.
I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever.
And for my eggs, I really love to pan fry them first if I'm taking it with ugali, because I don't really like the scrambled eggs because they kind of taste weird to me, because I'm not a lover of eggs and the egg taste or something like that.
We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk. But that look would kill. They are trying so hard to find all the weaknesses inside, but it's gonna spill. Oh, can we take a minute, turn and face the critics? Let's put flowers in our hair like we don't care. And dance a village clown moves. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me. And making me laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me. And we can clown around, yeah. And we can clown around, and it's just you and me. Oh, you and me are a vibe, girl. Disco, some fun like one of a kind, girl. Till morning's here. But when opinions start to guide us, we won't let them define us. No, we'll play it by ear. And I know that you're shy, but we can clown around tonight. You know the circus leaves town when it's light. And there's a village clown moves. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just
Meanwhile, on this other side, I have my greens that are almost ready. So for the greens, I just used some spring onions. I really love my vegetables with spring onions or white onions when I have them. Yeah, but today I just used some spring onions. Of late, I've been a lover of spring onions a lot. Yeah, so and then my ugali is ready, so I'm just going to finish up with the greens and the eggs, and then we serve our dinner.
Up all night by myself, trying to think of ways to you. Your voice stuck in my brain, we never got to see it through. And I know I feel more pain if we're speaking truth. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low?
And right here I just decided I'll bake some cake for breakfast because I didn't have bread for breakfast, and also I know I won't have some energy to make some mandazis in the morning. Yeah, so I just decided let me bake some cake, and also I was craving some cake, you know. Yeah, so I decided let me bake some cake for breakfast. And then, yeah, at least I'll wake up knowing that I have something for breakfast. No hassles. Yeah, so let's do this, guys.
Just don't know. Looking back at our time, hoping that we did it right.
Also, every time I bake, I always remember our teacher in high school telling us that when you're mixing the batter, you should do that in one direction, like to avoid trapping in the air bubbles. I don't know how true that is, but I always try to follow that so that maybe some miracles can happen. I don't know. Yeah, but I always try to do that, and sometimes I tend to forget, but I've never seen, I don't know how that works really. If you know that and if it's working for you, kindly let me know in the comment section.
So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know.
And so finally our batter is ready, so I'm going to place it in the oven. Meanwhile, as I do the dishes that we've used for dinner, and these that I've used to mix the cake batter. Yeah, so I'm just going to do the dishes meanwhile as our cake is baking.
Food, I'm thinking about 4-leaf clovers. I've got composure. Silver coin, you hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns gold and smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks.
And since it's been so cold of late, I just try to get something to do to at least motivate me so that I can do the dishes after dinner before I go to bed. Yeah, because okay, you guys, it's so cold, and on this day at least I was baking some cake and I feel motivated. So I'm kind of like trying to make myself busy as I wait for the cake, and then so that when I'll be done, the cake will be ready. I just let it cool and set it aside for breakfast, and then at least I'm going to leave my kitchen as clean. Yeah, so and there's that happiness that comes when you wake up to a clean kitchen. So I'm at least trying to motivate myself and do my best to do the dishes.
Keeping the disguise. I was swimming with the sharks. I was swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide.
And another thing that makes me so happy nowadays is that my baby got a good sleeping pattern of late, because not like Kitambo, she used to stay up to midnight, so I could have a rough time. So at least nowadays I get to do my other things after she sleeps, that is after we've had our dinner. So like on this day I was just doing the dishes, I had time to bake the cake. Yeah, so at least I get some time to do my own things because she's already asleep. So that makes me so happy. It's an achievement.
Laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. That's good. It's just you and me. And we can clown around, clown around. Yeah, and we can clown around. And it's just you and me. Oh, you and me are a vibe, girl. Disco, some fun like one of a kind, girl. Till morning's here. When opinions start to guide us, we won't let them define us. No, we'll play it by ear. And I know that you're shy, but we can clown around tonight. You know the circus leaves town when it's light, and there's a village clown moves. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and making me laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and we can clown around, clown around. Yeah, and we can clown around. And it's just you and me. Now it's your turn to clown around.
And finally, as you can see, the cake is ready, so I'm just going to cut this into smaller pieces, and then I'm going to place it in a bowl, yeah, and store it for breakfast. And then at least I have something for breakfast, because before I was worried about breakfast, but now I'm so happy. At least it's already sorted.
Clown around, clown around. Yeah, and we can clown around when it's just you and me.
And guys, right before I forget, thank you so much for your support, my returning subscribers and the new subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Kindly share me out to your friends if you can, and in that way you'll have supported my channel and it will get recommended to other viewers. So guys, we've come to the end of our video. See you on my next one.